Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to download and install Dell Power Manager on your Dell laptop. So head over to this website. Here you're going to find all the specific drivers for your Dell laptop. But before you get yourself here, on the home page you have to put your service tag number of your laptop. For you to identify your laptop, you have to put that service tag number or your serial number. You can get that info at the back of your laptop. So I'm going to put the link in the description. So when you get there, what you have to do is to go to drivers, and when you put your service tag number or your serial number, then you're going to see the name of your laptop in their website. In my case, it is Dell Latitude 7400. Now we're going to go to select drivers. Here you have to select your operating system. I'm on Windows 10, so I will choose Windows 10. Now look carefully for Dell Power Manager. This is it. Then click on download. I already have it downloaded, so when you download it you can install it and you're going to see it on your desktop or your start menu. So that's how you download and install Dell Power Manager on your Dell laptop. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.